Kids, won't you step outside for a second?
Dear Lord, that's the loudest profanity I've ever heard.
Welcome for the third time to the R6 rebuild series. In this video, we'll just be replacing out the ignition. This won't be really a how-to video, just a watch along. If you want a how-to video, I'll leave a link in the description below for Petrohead. I actually watched that video before I even bought the bike to see how complex it was going to be. It's not bad, just taking out the bolts off the ignition since there's no head to them was a bit of a pain, which you'll see. But yeah, hopefully in the next couple days I'll be posting replacing the Stator video and installing quick shifter, so look out for those. Enjoy.
Back that thing up.
I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it.
The new one that I just brought over? Yeah, those are... So you're basically kind of cheating the system essentially with putting it...
Yeah, they do.
Up behind that panel, you'll have two zip ties, two plugs. They go from the ignition to the main wiring harness. Just undo the zip ties real quick, undo the plugs, plug in your new ignition, zip tie them back up, and you're ready to rock. The thief cut after the ignition side of the plugs, so didn't have to splice the main harness, and it was relatively real easy. Just undo those bolts, unplug, put the new ones in, and you're ready to go.
No, just take that out. Yeah, you need more light in here, you're right. Damn, there's one out. Nice.
It worked.
Worst extractor job ever. Alright, now we can do some cleanup.
Are you proud of this job?
Socket chip.
I don't know what size though.
It's a 10.
Hopefully we're putting it on right because it...
It'll suck if it's not.
Nice. Perfect vice.
It's those hammer quads.
You want me to hold it? Hold on, hold on.
There it is. Did it get you?
No, I mean, no, just my hand bent.
Emotional damage.
I mean, it whipped me, but it wasn't that bad. All right, round 2. This is the wrong way, I think.
No, this is, well, I
Well,
mean,
without a vice. What's the right way? What's the wrong way?
Putting just Allen bolts with Loctite.
I mean, that would work. Oh, nice. And it's done.
Get that snake one.
That's right. The finishing touches right there. Get the wires plugged in. New ignition in. You gotta get
get out of here. Well, thank you so much for watching. In the next couple days, I'll be posting a video on replacing the regulator rectifier and stator, as well as installing a quick shifter on the R6. And then by the end of the week, I will have its first mod video and preparing it for an upcoming track day I have next week at Laguna Seca. So stay tuned for those, and thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.